Hi students. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the different steps involved in metallurgical process. Here we are going to discuss about some special techniques used for the extraction of metals. First one is the amalgamation. Amalgamation is mainly used for the extraction of gold. Here in this purpose, the gold which occur in active will be treated with the mercury, then amalgam will form. That amalgam will treated for distillation, then the pure gold will be distilled out. And second one is hydrometallurgy. Here the metal or particle will be this metal or particle have to be become a solution form by the action of suitable chemical reagent. The suitable chemical reagent mainly use the sodium cyanide solution, and after this solution form of this metal, we have to precipitate out using some precipitating agents, and pure form of the metal we will get. Example for this hydrometallurgy is explained using the extraction of silver. Silver we can see in nature as a silver acid or as a silver chloride. So both the steps are involved means shown here. First we have to be mixed with this a suitable chemical reagent, sodium cyanide, and that will form argentino-cyanide complex. Then that complex will be treated with a precipitating agent zinc, and zinc complex will form and silver will precipitate out. And next method is the solvent extraction. The solvent extraction technique is based upon the solute traveling from one solvent to other solvent. The two solvents will be invisible. So the metal or particle in one solvent will be treated with another solvent. So what will happen? This metal or particle only will be go from one solvent to other. The impurities will be remain in one solvent, and metal or particle, pure metal, will be in another solvent. The next method is ion exchange chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography is mainly used for the separation of lanthanides. I think you already studied about these lanthanides, and the solvent extraction we will discuss in later in another chapter. And separation of lanthanides you have already studied in previous semester. So lanthanide separation is possible using ion exchange chromatography. These lanthanides are passed to ion exchange chromatography column, and some event we are using, and this lanthanides will be separating out. Thank you.